In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stamps from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a handy skill, especially if you're working with documents that require updating or adjustments after they've been stamped. So let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed on your computer. This is essential because the features we're going to use are only available in the Pro version. Once that's ready to go, locate the PDF file that you want to edit. It's a good idea to have this file on your desktop or in an easily accessible folder to speed up the process. Now, let's open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. You can do this simply by right-clicking on the file, choosing Open With, and then selecting Adobe Acrobat Pro DC from the list. Once the file is open, you'll see the entire document laid out in front of you. Take a moment to scroll through and get a sense of where the stamp is located, so you'll be prepared to make your edits. Next, when you find the stamp in question, move your cursor over to it and right-click. This will bring up a context menu on your screen. It's a straightforward action but crucial because this menu gives you access to the functions you need to modify the stamp. In the context menu, look for the delete option. Clicking delete will remove the stamp from the document. It's as simple as that. This function effectively erases the stamp and leaves the rest of your PDF intact for any further changes you might need to make. It's worth noting that once you've deleted the stamp, there's no undo feature if you want it back, so double check to ensure you're removing the correct stamp before you click. Lastly, after making your edits, be sure to save your document. You can do this by navigating to File in the top menu and selecting Save. This will ensure all changes, including the removal of the stamp, have been properly updated in the document. Saving frequently throughout your editing process can prevent any data loss and ensure you have the most current version of your work. And there you have it. Removing a stamp from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is quite straightforward once you know how to do it. Remember, this guide applies to the Pro version, so make sure you're using the correct software to handle these tasks. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.